You are watching Liquid Vibes. Today I will show you how to make a classic Gold Rush cocktail in just 90 seconds. So let's go and jump in. Take a mixing jar and add lots of ice cubes. Now pour 45 milliliters of bourbon. 30 milliliters of lemon juice. 30 milliliters of honey syrup. Mix 2 parts of honey and 1 part of water to make perfect honey syrup. And quickly mix all the ingredients. Now take an old-fashioned glass and add ice cubes. I hope you are enjoying this video. Perfect. Now take a strainer and strain the mixture into the glass. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. Perfect. Garnish with a lemon peel. You can note down the recipe from the description box. The classic Gold Rush cocktail is now ready for you. Cheers!